Why can't I change my birthday on Snapchat? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss why you are not being able to change your birthday on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now for this, just go ahead and open the Snapchat application, then tap the profile icon from the top left, then tap the gear icon from the top right, then go to birthday. Now over here you'll be able to see, choose carefully, you can only change your birthday a limited number of times. So if you are the type of person who basically changes your birthday frequently on Snapchat, then you will not be able to change it anymore. Now why is this? There isn't an exact number to be precise about this, but you can only change your birthday a limited number of times. So if you're unable to change it, you may have already reached that limit, and Snapchat does not give you the exact number as to how much this really is. It could be 5 to 6 times or maybe 10 times from how much ever time you've changed it. Snapchat support cannot change your birthday for you. If you set your birthday to be over 18 years old, you will not be able to change your birthday to make yourself younger than 18. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.